What is up, everybody? Check this bad boy out. It's my buddy Flossy Missiles. This is the ramp truck that he built. So if you're not familiar with his channel, you need to go check it out. He built this thing. What was it? What is it out of?
It's a 73 Dodge RV, and I chopped the rear end of it off, made a bed for it, and yeah, now it's a ramp truck.
Yeah, check this out. So we're gonna go get a demo car right now with the ramp truck. This is perfect YouTube glory. So I'll spin you around and you can check it out. This thing's bad, dude. And you made ramps and all of it. Like, cause I watched you do it.
Everything. The front section $73, rear section is a 2000.
Yeah, that's
F350.
Oh yeah, he scabbed this cab on there too. This is the back of an F350, back window and everything.
Yeah, I got that from a pick part. $100.
Yep, I watched that too. This is the best part. The cup holder, man. That's epic. All right, let's get out. We're rolling in the ramp truck right now. He just informed me that the rear tires are from like 1982. So hopefully we make it to Riverside. And if we don't, at least I guess we'll get some footage of that too. And the roads here are spectacular. You can hear the beds making a bunch of noise and ruckus. Good old Norco.
We're living life on the edge, okay?
You know, I bet the tires probably aren't round. That's probably half the battle.
They're square, dude. They're square tires.
All right, we're getting on the freeway. Go ramp truck, go! We are so gonna time warp right now when this thing gets up to 55.
We're good, we're at 60.
Oh, we are defying the laws of gravity right now. It's actually quieter on the freeway than it was on the street in North
Carolina. Much quieter. I'm not rattling around and that. It's smooth too on the freeway. Kind of chilling.
We're on the hunt for some new cars. Oh, I think that's going to be our Jewel right there.
Oh, snap.
I think she's already outside.
The green Jetta 3. Oh, baby.
He's even got the hood up. Maybe he fixed it for us.
See the thing's got custom pinstriping, dude. That doesn't even need paint.
Yes, she is.
That's what everybody tells me. It's like,
custom.
doing that for the rest of my
Pinstriping. Is she open? Oh, you don't even lock it, dude. What's the reason to steal it?
I said I had the key. I think the pink is sitting in the seat right there, right? Yeah.
Oh, dude, pink slip and everything?
Yeah, keys in the ignition. It's in neutral right now.
Yeah.
Just because I rolled it out of there. I don't think I ever was able to get into the glove box.
Look at, dude, this is gonna be so ridiculous.
It's pristine, dude.
It's nice.
It's too nice.
Alright,
I think we got this.
Ramp truck is ready. Well, we'll just have to stop so you can see the width on it.
Yeah.
I'm glad you live on a hill because I didn't know how we were going to push this thing. Yeah, we'll be fine.
And I think the key's on. You got it, to be able to steer it. So.
Oh yeah, okay. That rolls.
Oh, dude, I think. Well, you can just sit in it, dude. I bet we can get you rolling.
Get you going.
Just line it up. Ow, that looks hot, dude. Just stop when you get it so we can line it up. We were close. We pushed it, and he actually nailed the ramps. We just only got that far up, so now we got to drag the thing up.
What I ended up doing was up here.
This thing's nice, man. We're so gonna get hammered by all those people out there at the track. So I guess it'll be nice. I get to help take turns come along in it. I offered to undo the e-brake, so I'm rolling in the Jetta up the ramp truck ramp. You're almost there. You tired yet?
Right there.
There she is. Got them all loaded. Josh pulled it up most of the way. I just did the last 2 feet so I could look like a hero. Oh, those things are official.
Oh yeah, dude. Amazon.
It ain't falling off now.
Amazon's there. I think my foot is falling.
Oh, this is pretty epic. Alright, since we are on a mini road trip, you have to get the road trip snacks. And I got Slim Jims.
Snap.
And I'm going to give him the option because one is cracked pepper and one is taco seasoned. Which one do you want?
Give me the taco seasoning.
Alright. Cali inspired. Cali inspired taco seasoning.
Taco your car.
Yeah, taco like you're gonna taco a rim on yours. That's what you're gonna taco. All right, back to it. On our way home, we're loaded. Check the straps, get some gas. Hopefully this thing don't fall off on the freeway when we make it back to Norco. Rolling. Another quick side note on this thing: there are no safety provisions, I don't think. So I just
Safety? What the heck? Just hold on.
yeah, there's no safety provisions. And then the weird thing with the phone is I don't know where the camera is, so I always look like I'm talking that like I got the eyeball that goes right real crazy. So yeah, no safety provisions, but we do have some. All right, we're floating down the freeway, as Mr. Flossy Missiles just said.
Yeah, it's a little light in the front. Not a lot in the back.
So she doesn't really go in a straight line. It's kind of like a snake, but we'll get there. And I was just telling him, I said, if it was windy at all, I would probably be sketched out if we were driving it. And then he was telling me that he drove a Volkswagen bus on the back of this thing, and I was like, you're not back, dude. So we're almost home, we're rounding the corner. We're gonna be getting off here pretty quick.
Is he building one?
I think he's building one. We should go hit him up.
You want to go down there? He really is, I think. I think he's building some kind of...
Ramp trucks are going home. Flossy has his new rig and his old rig. If it'll start. Yeah. All right. All right, so Josh just left. That leaves me to go to my toddler party with my boy. You ready to go? Ready to go party? You go in the pool? Yeah. And that is it. So I'm still in the hunt. I do have a Honda CRX on the line, but I'm not able to connect with the guys. So hopefully, maybe early next week, or I'm gonna keep looking. But I have one in mind already. So hopefully we can do that. And that is it. So we got Josh's car, we got my wife's car. I still have to find one, and then we get cracking on this thing. So keep it locked, subscribe, click that chicken. I'm out.